Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to lose weight with the help of a natural ingredient, Ajwa date powder. Yes, you heard it right. Ajwa powder has gained attention for its potential benefits in weight loss. So, let us dive in and explore how you can incorporate this amazing powder into your weight loss journey. Before we begin, let us quickly understand what Ajwa powder is. Ajwa seed powder, also known as Ajwa date seed powder, is a powdered form of the seeds found inside Ajwa dates. Ajwa dates are a variety of dates primarily grown in Saudi Arabia. After the dates are harvested, the seeds are removed, dried, and ground into a fine powder. Ajwa seed powder is distinct from Ajwa date powder, which is made from the flesh of the dates. Ajwa seed powder is derived specifically from the seeds. The powder is usually light brown in color and has a slightly bitter taste. Ajwa seed powder is often praised for its potential health benefits and has been used traditionally in some cultures for its medicinal properties. Ajwa seed powder is at times associated with potential benefits for weight loss. While scientific research specifically focusing on Ajwa seed powder and weight loss is limited, but still it possesses certain characteristics that can support weight management efforts. Here are some potential benefits of Ajwa seed powder in relation to weight loss. High fiber content. Ajwa seed powder is rich in dietary fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and satiety. Consuming fiber-rich foods can help control appetite, reduce overeating, and manage weight by providing a sense of fullness with fewer calories. Potential metabolic effects. Some studies suggest that certain compounds found in Ajwa seeds, such as flavonoids, may have metabolic benefits. These compounds may support metabolic function and potentially aid in weight management. Nutritional value. Ajwa seed powder contains various nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. When trying to lose weight, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs while managing calorie intake. Natural alternative to refined sugars. Ajwa seed powder can be used as a natural sweetener, providing a healthier alternative to refined sugars. By reducing the consumption of added sugars, which contribute empty calories, it may support weight loss efforts. Potential digestive benefits. Ajwa seed powder is believed to have a soothing effect on the digestive system. A healthy digestive system is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption and elimination, which can contribute to overall well-being and potentially aid in weight management. How to use Ajwa powder for weight loss. To use Ajwa date powder for weight loss, you can incorporate it into your diet in various ways. Here are some of the different ways. First, Ajwa date powder smoothie. Add a teaspoon or two of Ajwa date powder to your favorite smoothie recipe. Combine it with fruits, vegetables, Greek yogurt, and a liquid of your choice, such as almond milk or water, for a nutritious and filling drink. Here is a short step-by-step recipe. In a blender, add a handful of fresh fruits, a tablespoon of Ajwa seed powder, a cup of almond milk, and some ice cubes. Blend until smooth and enjoy this nutrient-packed smoothie as a filling breakfast or a post-workout snack. Second, oatmeal or cereal topper. Sprinkle Ajwa seed powder on your morning bowl of oatmeal or cereal. It will add natural sweetness and a hint of flavor while boosting the nutritional value of your breakfast. Follow the steps. Cook your regular oatmeal as per the instructions on the package. Once cooked, sprinkle a teaspoon of Ajwa seed powder on top. Mix well and savor the natural sweetness and added fiber. Third, energy balls or bars. Make homemade energy balls or bars by mixing Ajwa date powder with other ingredients like nuts, seeds, and nut butter. These can serve as convenient and healthy snacks to keep you satisfied between meals. Here are the simple steps. In a food processor, combine dates, nuts, a tablespoon of Ajwa seed powder, and a dash of cinnamon. Blend until the mixture becomes sticky and roll it into small energy balls. Store them in the refrigerator and grab one whenever you need a healthy and satisfying snack. Fourth, baking ingredient. Incorporate Ajwa seed powder into your baking recipes. It can be used as a substitute for refined sugar in some recipes, adding natural sweetness and moisture. Experiment with adding it to muffins, cookies, or energy bars. Fifth, salad dressing. Create a healthy and flavorful salad dressing by combining Ajwa date powder with olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs and spices. Drizzle it over your salads to enhance the taste while enjoying the potential benefits of Ajwa date powder. Sixth, tea or hot beverage. Stir a small amount of Ajwa date powder into your favorite herbal tea or warm water for a soothing and healthful drink. It can be a natural alternative to sweeteners and provide a unique flavor profile. It is important to remember that while Ajwa seed powder can be a part of a balanced weight loss plan, it is not a standalone solution. Sustainable weight loss is achieved through a combination of a healthy, balanced diet, regular physical activity, portion control, and overall lifestyle habits. You may consult us on WhatsApp to develop a personalized weight loss plan that suits your specific needs and goals. And also check out the description box below for amazing fast-working weight loss remedies. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Bye.